To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. Swipe up to scroll down, and locate the section labeled, How Others Can Interact with You. Then, tap on, Comments. At the top, you will see the option, Block Comments From. Tap on it. Now tap the search bar, and enter the name of the person you want to block. From the list of results, tap the block button next to the correct person. From now on, that person will not be able to comment on your posts, and their previous comments won't be visible to you. They can still see your posts, but their comments will only be visible to themselves. Blocking someone from commenting keeps your posts safe from unwanted interactions, prevents spam or negative remarks from appearing on your content, and ensures a more positive and controlled environment for you and your audience. You can undo this at any time by tapping the Unblock button next to their name. Tap Unblock again to allow that person to comment on your posts once more. So that's how you can block comments from specific persons on Instagram.